I am a manager owner of a domiciliary care company, All Care South Wales, and I'm really fortunate in my position to be able to provide a service to people in the community, but also to directly influence and change anything I don't like about the service, and hopefully be innovative and creative and really be able to do care in the way, or provide a service of care in the way that I think it should be provided. And that makes me really happy.
In addition to her work with care communities acting together, Keri takes every opportunity, as you may know, to promote the domiciliary care sector, both locally and nationally, through her work with Social Care Wales and the National Care Forum. But I think the truth is, the real difference is developing a home care organisation that works alongside citizens to creatively think beyond the person's home, supporting people to maintain and regain their social role within their family or within their community. And that creates a sense of self-worth and a sense of well-being.
Every day you're living and breathing should be the best day it could be. I don't think we should write people off. I don't think it matters what your condition is. You know, we can all make they could be very tiny differences towards that person, and that can make a difference to their lives. And if the only difference is that they know somebody is going to support them to achieve and do what they want to do, that is really important to me.